The weather is so hot right now. Like the air is just dried. Like everybody's, a lot of people are uncomfortable right now, and the worst part is that a lot of people cannot afford to buy an air conditioner set. I think it's about 300,000, 200,000, and this is where you come in, and this is where you are going to make a lot of money. Now head over to TikTok and search portable AC for the room. You're going to see a lot of AC. You're going to see a lot. I think I stumbled on one yesterday that was selling for 32,000 naira, and that product, I could legit sell that product for 50,000 naira from that supplier. And this is how you're going to do it without actually buying the product. Let's take, for example, now this black one here. I saw this black mini AC in 2023. I made a lot of money selling this mini AC. I stopped selling it because in 2024, a lot of sellers hopped on it and it was so saturated, so I had to like dump the product. But here you can see a lot of product here. All you just have to do is just find one that has a Nigerian supplier, there's a Nigerian supplier here, message the person, tell the person, hello ma, I want to advertise your product and I want to work with you. I want to drop ship your product. And when I give you a customer that successfully delivers, you're gonna give me my own cut. So what you do next is take videos of that product, take pictures of that product, preferably use video because video will at least convey what you are the product better than pictures. So you take videos, you post it on your WhatsApp, your TikTok, your Facebook group, WhatsApp group. You can choose to run ads if you want to make quick cash. Like if you want to make simple quick cash as fast as possible, I will advise you to run ads. And best place to run ads would be Facebook. Why? Because those on Facebook are millennials. They are more older generation. They have the money to buy it. So you go on Facebook, you run ads on Facebook and Instagram. And when you get a customer, you send the details of that customer to the supplier. The supplier contacts the customer and then proceed to deliver. Let's say the one I saw for 32,000 naira, I could legit sell that one for 50,000 naira, making up to like 18,000 naira profit, 18 to 20,000 naira profit from that sale. So let's say, for example, the supplier delivers the product to your customer and then remits you 20k. You've just made soft money, like soft 20k, without actually having to show your face, without having to talk to anybody. You don't need to be fancy, you don't need to dress up. You could legit be naked in your room and still make your 20k softly. Do that for 5 days a week. You're gonna be making somewhere around 100,000 naira. And if you are someone who likes money, like your head is hot, you can legit be selling to up to like 10. There are a lot of people who are looking for this product, most especially students who can afford AC. Single, there are bachelors who can afford AC for now. They can buy that and they will buy that because the heat here is bad. Like they will buy it. A lot of people are buying fans now, talk less of ACs, and they see a mini portable AC they could buy for as low as 50,000, 70,000 naira. A traditional AC is costing somewhere around 250,000 naira to 300,000 naira. So they will legit go for that option. One, it solves a problem. It solves two problems: the problem of price and also the problem of the heat. And the heat is not going anytime soon. So let's say for 6 months, you'll be selling this product for 6 months. If you make only 5 sales, or let's just say bad as bad, you only make 2 sales per week. You're making 40k per week, 4 weeks a month. You can calculate that money, times it by 6 months that this heat is going to be here. You're going to be making soft cash. And if you follow my channel, I'm still going to drop more products that you will sell to make more money. Because this year we ain't playing. And if you don't drop on this thing I tell you to do, if you don't do this thing I'm telling you to do, I don't know what to tell you. I'll just take it as though you are not ready to make money this year.